Hi everyone, Ponez here, and in this video I'm going to show you a backtest session of how I trade. I'm not profitable yet, that's why I'm recording this video so I can watch it later. If you want to watch my journey, feel free to subscribe to the channel. I try to post a backtest video every day until I become consistently profitable. So let's do it. As you can see, I am starting new playlist. I'm going to go back to the ET strategy that I was using before. I started on Bitcoin, but Bitcoin was kind of messy. I don't know. So I decided to get back to it after doing the manipulation stuff that I was doing before, because I can't get results when I'm trading live, and with this strategy I can get results. So I'm going to only focus on this, and I'll use the backtest just to help fixate the strategy in my mind. So yeah, that's it, and let's see how it goes. So press to count this, and also I'm using this on M1. Before I was trying on M5, and I noticed that on M1 gives more setups, so I can do. Usually I trade U, GU, and gold, and sometimes Bitcoin, but usually Bitcoin takes a very long time to develop something, so those three are the main ones. And it's kind of chill to trade on them one because the setup needs to do, price needs to break like this, manipulate, and then break this low, and we enter right here on this test. After price makes this manipulation, this will be the POI to enter. So we enter here. So we have a lot of time to wait for this to happen, like 5 minutes, even 10, 15 minutes. So it's very easy to see the setup happening. When I was doing the manipulation, I had to enter here at the manipulation. So that was basically like only 3 candles, like very fast. Sometimes you go to the bathroom and you already miss the trade. Even if you're looking, maybe I was looking at the chart, but then I alt tabbed to see something, and when a minute later that I already lost the trade. So it's very fast. So this way it's a lot easier to wait for the setup. And yeah, that's it. So we are currently inside this demand area. Maybe some longs here would be nice. Price is only going down currently, so not much to do, I think. This would be a nice liquidity, H1 inducement, chalk on H1, or here on M5. The liquidity taking us here. Price already gave this chalk on M5, retraced, and now you're going down. So maybe you're not going to take this high. If there is setups to short, I'll try to short. But I have to be aware of this, because this is a demand area, so price can can start entering here at any point. And BOS right here, we give the setup. Can even use this one. We can try this, but it's kind of risky. because we just had the break of structure. I will skip this one just because of the break of structure. But this is the drawing that we want to see. Something like that. Here was the manipulation to tap here, but then we needed to wait. This was my previous strategy. Like here, tap here and enter to expect this leg. So yeah, this was kind of risky, that's why I didn't do it. Now we just wait again. And we also are doing the 1, 2, 3. Like here, this is we can expect price to come up and retrace and then start going down again to do this continuation, maybe. Until when? I don't know. Retracement could be, this would be the whole POI. Can retrace into this 50. Maybe it will stop here. Maybe it will take all this last liquidity to then drop. Maybe it will break this high and then drop. I don't know. For now, we just wait. There was one here to short. I'm not going to keep doing this because it takes a long time, but I think you can see it. We could try this short, but the only problem the pros of this short is that we already tapped this POI and there is no liquidity here on this leg to go up. The only liquidity is the high itself. So maybe this can work. Price is not too far. The TP is not too far away. This one looks better to try. But this can also fail because price is creating this liquidity here. So price can maybe come down here, take this, and then go up to tap the 50. Or even this one, all the ones above, and drop. So I don't know what's going to happen. There's another one here, but I will not try again. I'll just wait now. Price is struggling to go down. Nothing to do, just gotta wait. If it goes, it goes. I'm not trying another short because this already have this one. This one is kinda risk, not really, but a little bit. Ended up failing. A very small one here, but it's valid. I'll try this long to see if price comes up here. No. Okay, now we tapped the 50, tapped something meaningful. And gave the setup here. This one's not valid, broke the low. Took the less liquidity. Maybe we can try this inside the demand area. Maybe price can take this high. Sure, let's try this. Price, this, I probably wouldn't try on live markets just because probably would try only this short. But now price is consolidating a bit, so it's not that great. I'll be looking more at GU or gold. Okay, so now we took this. Since we took this high, I'll just place it break even. No, it's already 12:16. This is 11. Okay, nice. Let's just do it fast to do a whole week. 5 a.m. So demand enter this area. No. Price tapped here. Can give a reaction down. But this POI also huge. And there's also this. Let's see. Longs after this liquidity would be nice because this is the 1, 2, 3 strong low. Just tapped here. Maybe this can give a reaction to take this low. There was a setup on just here. this one is kind of valid, but the only problem is that it took a very long time. Like there was a lot of candles here. It's not really a problem, but also the stop loss is very high, very big. I'd like my TP to be closer to here. Maybe if I can do something like this. Yeah, I don't want to trade this. I'll wait for better liquidity to be taking or something. It looks so bad. Now there's news. I'll wait for the news. Oh, then look at this candle. This day is probably over. Yeah, no longs here. Yeah, this day is over. Let's see if I missed some longs. Maybe here. This is valid. Came up, broke down, took this high, the candle close. Yeah, this one maybe I could have done, but here I don't see anything. Here. No. Okay, now tap this, the 50 of this POI. Took this liquidity of this leg. Maybe you can take this one. This one will be a lot better, but I don't think price will come down there. This is also a demand area. There's this liquidity above. Anything can happen here, really. I'm more focused on longs since this move is going up very nicely. This is just a correction. Maybe a correction to take this, so we can maybe short until here and then look for longs. Here there was and this looks very bad. I would try, but it putting break even. No, ended up being stop loss. This was not manipulation. This is 1, 2, 3. Maybe it's going now. There's also this one. Maybe I can short here. This is a supply area. Price give this. Made the buy setup right before tapping here. It's kind of risky. Yeah, just failed. What the fuck? Where is the volume? Price gave the setup here to sell. Doesn't look that great. Okay, I had to do market. I can do like this. This happened right here in this demand area. The same one as this, so maybe I should have skipped just like I skipped this one. I didn't think very much about that one. Now there is also another setup. Maybe this one can go, just because we already retraced. Oh damn. No, this was unlucky. This is BOS. And I think I have to place this in break even. Yeah, I'll just place now. Okay, nice. Now took this low. This one I think will be more important than this. There's another short here. Like this. The only problem is this news. Producer price index. I don't think this one makes the price moves too much. Well, let's try. It's only back test. Okay, now I don't wanna see. Oh damn. Okay. Price ended up stopping here. Ignore this to count this liquidity. There was a buy setup. I'm only trying this buy because we tapped this POI, demand area. Took some liquidity, so maybe price can go since it went straight down. After news, price can do whatever they want. Like there's no kind of a rule to keep going down or keep going up. There's another one here. Now 1209. Okay, the trade worked. Yeah, ended up going up. Now you're tapping here. This can hold price. Just like this one did, give a reaction. This can also do the same thing. Let me mark this and this. Honestly, price going down more. Here it kind of gave the manipulation. kind of ugly. Now we are at the extreme, a little bit better. Give the reaction, then came down again. There was this too short, but I'll not try this one. This POI is too big. There is liquidity right here. Oh, maybe this one was. Yeah, came up, came down, came up, down, manipulation, and broke. This one was very fast. I had to enter here, but then the same problem happened right above the demand area. Now there's demand entering after this liquidity, both of these. This one is probably going to fail. Consolidating a lot. Yeah, ended up fading. I can try this long. It's kind of risky. Price is a little extended. I want to see a correction down here and then this setup down here. I don't know. Maybe this one can work. No. Short setup. Should I short here? We took all of this liquidity. We're going up, tapped here. I don't know. We're going up. M1, H1 chalk. Then I want to short from here, not down here. Price didn't even tap this 50 at least. Yeah, this short doesn't look that great. Ended up going down, but not because of this. Okay, more demand. Entered here. there's this one. This short looks risky as well. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, just took it out and then went straight to here. Still kind of bad. Let me just see if I missed anything. I don't know if I should do this before or after every trade. Let's just do now, after the day is over. I miss the first day. What was here? I think there was one more day, right? Maybe not. Yes, I think we started here. Well, if you did, then I didn't miss the first day. This was the second. This one was nice. Okay, trying, didn't work. I think I missed this one. What is this? Oh, it was this bigger one. Yeah, this one I missed. And here, unlucky. And it was a nice one. This one I skipped because of the news. Two nice ones. And now here, basically only short. 5 a.m. Huge one here. Then one right above the demand, failed. This one is kind of ugly. This looks more like M5, almost. Maybe M3? Yeah, this was M3. No setups, no clean ones this day. Okay, let's just go to next. Took this liquidity, retracement, BOS, 1 2 3 down. Now it's 4 to 5. Already tapped the 50. Can enter demand still here. This is the on H1, like this is the only liquidity here. This is only M15. This could be the last liquidity to go up. Yeah, it's the last liquidity on H4. There was one here, but very ugly. I don't like it. Failed. I wanna see another one forming below here, at least. You're too high in the leg. Maybe here it made on the broker, but not on FX replay. This one didn't. Oh, this made. Probably was not gonna get tapped in. My entry will be here. And that was correct. Less liquidity. Ended up exploding up. There's this wick on H4. The 50% is still open. Took the liquidity. Tap the 50. Okay, just ignore all of this. Now this high is now a short here will be a lot better. The high is more expressive, very clear one. No shorts. Oh, there was one here, very small one. Interest on this candle. Maybe price can still go up there. Yeah. I didn't notice this candle was too small. These ones, because of the candle very small, it's kind of tricky to see. Need to get used to seeing those. Those are the only ones that I usually, if I miss, it's because of this. Like, if I look with this kind of zoom out, then it's kind of hard to see. That's here. Now we're going up. And there's only this POI for press to stop. Don't see anything here. Maybe on M5. I don't even care if there's anything on M5. I just need to work with what I have here. It's kind of a big POI. I could maybe try. I'll try just because this push was very straight. But I have to use stop break even. Break even a little bit lower if price comes lower. Okay, made another one. This one I can just break even. This one as well. It's very far now. Oh, fuck, it's 2 p.m. I forgot about price. Let's just skip this and see what happens. And 3, 4, 5. Was already in break even, so doesn't really matter what happens then. This one was, oh nice, this one is actually TP. This is still open. Price is consolidating in this demand area. I think here. If this is Wyckoff, price is making it's looking bullish. You already broke here. I think I should wait for a sweep of liquidity here, and then we can start looking for longs. I don't think I want to trade now. Doesn't look that great. Let's see if a setup happens. I'll see how the chart looks. Now this can be the sweep of liquidity, or maybe not. No, this liquidity looks better to take. This is a strong low of the leg going up. Now logging here would be better. Just need the setup. Yeah, here there was one. Can do market. This top is very small, so I'll use below here. Okay, now we will do. First, I already made 2 legs up. Almost tap the TP. And this looks good. If it doesn't go, then doesn't go. Didn't see any other longs here. Yeah, nice. Price is kind of struggling to go up. It seems. Maybe this was chalk. Maybe, I don't mean maybe. This was chalk. So this is SMS. Now if price gives another one here, then I can try to long again. This looks a little bit better to long. Don't do me like that. Holy shit, man. Again. My buffer didn't save me. I did 2. Oh, maybe this was too small. Yeah, I need to do like 3 to 4 pipettes. Stop. 2 is too small. Whatever. Yeah. Did me dirty like that. Important is the chalk and SMS that I recognize. This is the most important thing. I don't think this was correct. Shorting after this liquidity will be better. And longs maybe here. Maybe after this. I can short here as well. Like this PY, which is this one here. Between these two, I think I prefer longs because of this liquidity taken. And price didn't give any. Oh, there was one here. Maybe this one can still tap here. No, didn't work. Another one. I'm only trying this long because of the liquidity taken. down there. Oh damn, almost did me dirty again. Yeah, usually my stop loss I do kinda based on the size. Like I don't wanna place like this. I wanna give a little bit of buffer. This one, this distance looked good in my eyes. Basically looks the same as this. I don't know. Oh, now the day is over. I think I did everything that I could. I only tried too long because of this liquidity. This one was nice. Unlucky. This maybe I could have avoided since it was the first touch here. But then it retraced and then gave another move. So yeah, this one I definitely could have avoided. Just like the other day that I avoided the first touch and then after it retraced and then started going up, then I tried the next one. It's Thursday, let's do until Friday and then we finish the video. Didn't tap anything, the only thing is here. If shorts happen again, I'll try just because this leg is very straight. There is one setup too long. Coming, tapping the POI. This does not look good. I'll do the break even faster, I think. Oh, never mind. This is valid, but we just tapped here. Yeah, I don't like this. Just tap the supply area, give the setup here. Doesn't look good. Maybe there was this little one because of this green candle. This leg is pretty much straight, so the best place to try to long will be after this. Only after this. If he gives the setup here in the middle of nowhere, it doesn't look good. No, there wasn't any other one here. I don't know along this. I only want a short because we tapped it here. This could kind of be another one. Very small. Now this one looks better. The only problem is that we just took this, so we can retrace more in this leg. This retracement was very deep. The same thing can happen here. Yeah, I'll skip this one. Price already went very aggressive to the downside. Maybe break this high. Maybe I can long here. Somewhere around here would be better. The best one would be after taking that liquidity. And short setup after tapping here. Don't like it too much. That was the only one that we got. And this is the one I would definitely break even now. I'm not even gonna wait if price comes here, then drop. Tap the 50 usually gives a reaction. That is over. This day, pretty much. I only looked for shorts and it didn't happen. Maybe this, but I don't know. This one was kinda the setup, a kinda ugly one. And this was the only one I think which was clearer. Okay, tapped here, demand, now you're going up. You're going up, kinda struggling to go up. Okay, BOS. This is a nice low to be taken. Unless your retracement and then go up. Ended up taking this low. Now it'll be a lot better. The setup just too long. Okay, now it looks even better. Maybe this was not too big they stop. Probably wouldn't try that one. And here also gave one. After taking this liquidity, doesn't look that great. This one I'll try. Unlucky. No other longs. No another BOS. And I can only see the supply area here. Usually I place my entry here at the body. But this one I'll try here just because the PI is kind of small. Would have made any difference? Oh, was a stop loss anyways. And it is over. So just this break even. Yeah, that's fine. Alright, let's just skip. I will not review because this was very long. I basically showed all the trades after the day was over. This one I also had already started. The back test, I was just making sure that I understood everything, and now I'm only refining my entries to choose better trades. So this was the first month. I started January 1st. First. Yeah. Oh, there was. I don't know. I put the first day on January 1st, but for some reason it started here. I can ignore that one. It basically started here Tuesday, Here's the result so far. We did I think it started here and then I did until Friday. 6, 12, 16, 15, 13, 12 hour. Yeah, that's it. Let's see what happens. I'll keep on doing this one just to practice here. And I'm also doing this live. So yeah, that's it guys. Thanks so much for watching. God bless you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.